This is not Plasti Dip. This is actually OEM factory paint made by a company called Luna. And you may be asking yourself, what the heck is the Dip Your Car guy doing with OEM factory paint? Well, as of today, anyone who's qualified to spray AutoFlex, our professional high gloss coating system, can actually go onto the wholesale website, and there's a tool where you can plug in whatever OEM or factory color you're looking for, and you can actually get OEM paint that you can use with AutoFlex. So today, we've got our STI right here. Now, what OEM color would we want to spray over an STI? Gabe?
World Rally Blue.
It's the only right answer. Factory World Rally Blue going over our STI in high gloss AutoFlex. Let me show you a little sneak peek of what we got in here. Oh, mama. Check that out. That is beautiful and messy. We don't have a stick of truth, but check this out. This is exactly the same World Rally Blue that you would get straight from Subaru. And I cannot wait to spray it. We're gonna jump right in. Gabe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. If you're ready, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the car, and it is awesome to be able to say that AutoFlex installers can now offer real factory or OEM colors as options with the AutoFlex coating system. It opens things up to an entire new world of possibilities. Now, if you want AutoFlex on your car and you have the equipment to spray it, you can find it right at DipYourCar.com. But I know most of you aren't qualified or prepared to spray AutoFlex coatings. Good news is there's a link in the description box below as well where you can find a local DYC installer and they can do that installation for you. So let's get the car outside right now. What's better than World Rally Blue with gold wheels on an STI? I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Gabe and I had a ton of fun. I'll see you on the next one.